coming over today. For all the fathers, point at them. Happy Father's Day. Strong men. You don't have to be a father. You could be a good uncle, a good friend, a good listener, a good uncle. All y'all be blessed out there. We are so thankful to have this moment together, one day at a time. Enjoy it and make the best of it. Hey, it's Father's Day. Happy Father's Day, everybody.
Thank you.
Yep, I'm over here chilling with my family for Father's Day. God is good.
What's up, y'all? This your girl Yo-Yo from the Fun Crew. From the Fun Crew at Simone's Kitchen, y'all. When I say great food, y'all missing out. You know what I'm saying? Y'all ain't special like me.
I ain't even get it.
Yeah. Happy Father's Day to all the fathers. Y'all appreciate it.
What up, all right.
Shining Safari. Brandon. What's up? What's up? We in Simone's Kitchen.
Hello.
Precious, Simone's Kitchen. The food was delicious. Thanks for the invite. And happy Father's Day.
Paul, Simone's Kitchen.
The food
The food was amazing.
Simone's Kitchen, it was so good. I'm stuck. I like 10 months
You see
pregnant.
everybody plate. Ain't nobody got no more food on that plate. It's gone.
I'm making sure so I get back to eat.
Yeah, I'm about to put a big T-shirt with my sister's face.
Hey, while we over here talking about Willie, why don't you zoom in on Yo-Yo plate? Man, she ate the French gristles and everything. That's how you do it in Simone's Kitchen, bro.
Y'all gotta try Simone's waffles with the, what is that on top of it? The,
I ain't gonna say big Annie's special sauce.
man, you do not really need no syrup on it. It is delicious. Everything. Man,
These
I am
waffles,
stuffed.
they so delicious. Everybody get some fruit?
Today, I'm gonna be that auntie with the 16,000 plates. Ain't nobody over here got the banana boat plate. Y'all remember? I said the banana boat plate? Where you fold it up when it's nasty, everybody over here throwing down.
They didn't eat their gristles, they bones, everything, okay?
I got food coma.
Man, something.
I had an asthma machine over here.
Simone keep throwing chicken at me and drinks.
Hey, Willie was trying to be a gentleman. Like, you want some more chicken? He like, I'm straight. She like, want the bacon? Man, she put too much. And he said, all right.
Don't forget about this drink right here, y'all. You know, this made by a woman. You hear me? This is Lord.
It better be on fire.
Right. It's made by a woman because a man told her to.
And Simone's
Y'all gotta remember that Father's Day is one day. Y'all niggas ain't gonna eat tomorrow. Y'all ain't gonna eat. I better call Simone Kitchen. Y'all niggas gonna eat tomorrow. We're gonna bet on that. I bet you we ain't fixing damn plate. Say that right, ladies. Damn plate. Yeah. Y'all gonna be like, why ain't fixing my plate? Haul Willie.
Oh, after y'all done knocked everything out, y'all don't want to fix no plate.
What they do? They pick themselves back up and it's all good.
Man, she always gotta come with the Father's Day. Y'all still knocked on out.
This ain't the fun crew. It's Father's Day.
So just cancel the fun.
Yeah.
That's why
Y'all can have fun tonight.
you ain't getting your kids back. This your last Father.
I apologize for my outburst. I apologize for my outburst.
Y'all still eating? Let's go. I'm here.
Simone's Kitchen.
Here we go. It's Simone's Kitchen. Let's do it.
Debbie,
You know I'm
vanilla
hungry.
wafers. You done ate
You
all
know I'm
of
hungry. And you know I love to eat. Let's go. Where the food at, baby?
I'm good. I got you. Oh, Lord.
I'm gonna share what I got.
Oh, you gonna shit? Now, you know that can't do nothing for me. I'm a big man. That don't do nothing for me.